Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use YouTube ad free. It's free, complete. There's no add-ins involved. Uh, Probably YouTube gonna hate me for this, but yeah, let's start. For this one, I'm just using the Brave browser. I'm just gonna close it for now. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the web browser, any web browser. I can put the link in the description later. uh, so that was the Brave browser. I'm gonna maximize it, and I'll be going to the settings. If you click three bars, whatever you wanna call them, click there, go to settings, and right now I'm using Google search engine, right? You can see it here. The search engine is Google. I'm gonna change to something else that will help us to get rid of the ads. So yeah, DuckDuckGo. I'm gonna use this search engine from now on. So, and make sure you set it as a default, and let's browse the YouTube now. There will be no ads involved. My Wi-Fi is pretty slow, but you look at this, smooth.
All right, listen up.
Smooth. Any videos, guys?
Inside this smartphone are 62 microchips.
Alright guys, that was it for today. Yeah, just from there, the search engines, DuckDuckGo, change it, and yeah, you can see new browser is now DuckDuckGo in here. Thanks for watching. Please comment down. Don't forget to say subscribe. Thanks. Catch you later.